rain chances are super low this morning, only about a 5 to 10% chance for any rainfall this morning. Goes up to only around 20% by the time we get to lunchtime, then 30% around 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then up to about 50% for 3, 4, and 5 o'clock this afternoon. The past couple of days, we've had a 70 to 80% chance for rain, so 50 is certainly lower, but there's still going to be some showers and a few strong thunderstorms around. So how are we doing on rainfall? Well, there's 2 locations in our area where the National Weather Service takes official readings, Vero Beach and West Palm. In Vero Beach, we are 3.6 inches above average for rainfall for the month of August. We're still at a little bit of a deficit for the year at a little under 2 inches of rainfall if we're looking at the entire year from January through now. And then for West Palm Beach, we are 5 inches above average for the month of August for rainfall, and we actually have a surplus of rain of almost 4 inches above average for the entire year for 2019. That's pretty impressive for Palm Beach County, but really impressive along the Treasure Coast when you consider that just a few weeks ago we were almost 7 inches below average. Now we're just under 2 inches below average for rainfall for the year. All right, so today a 50% chance for showers and a few thunderstorms. That's mainly this afternoon into the early evening hours. 40% tomorrow. Some drier air tries to mix in. I do see a little more moisture moving in for the weekend. It won't be a washout, but there will be a 50 to 60% chance for afternoon showers and storms Saturday and Sunday. 50% chance on Monday for the first day of school, mostly afternoon, and then a big drop in rain chances by the middle of next week.